play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
So letting you guys know, a month ago I did install this unit. So if you want to watch this full installment, the link will be in the description box. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's video, we're going to use these flexi rods that I got from Temu, and y'all know me and Temu, we locked in, we best friends. That's my homegirl, okay? But anywho, so you need some mousse and you need these flexi rods, and baby, that's all we're going to use in this video to create heatless curls. So I got 10 of these flexi rods, and baby, these were very affordable on Temu, and y'all know why I love Temu, okay? So I got 10 flexi rods to deal with, so let's get started. People that truly know me and subscribe to me, y'all know I capture every little moment, and I'm capturing a real live moment where I forgot how to use flexi rods. So yeah, I had to do a little research, but then I found out, baby, you bend it. Like, what? That was so dumb, but you know what? We live and learn, right? So after I put my bonnet on, baby, I am about to go to sleep. Well, take this makeup off and then go to sleep. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning. Before anybody come for me saying I got the same shirt on and the same makeup, nope. Next day. This is really the next day. So anywho, let's go ahead and get this started. I want to see what these curls looking like. The mousse fully dry, because like I said, it has been overnight. It's been sitting. I want to see. Let's get ready and take this down. Like, look at the curls, the waves. I'm loving this. This is so cute. But y'all know I got to be a little extra, right? So I got to do this transition real quick. Hold on.
First person shooter mode. You turning your son to a funeral. Tell them niggas just say they gon' offer.
Sign me up all day, every day for the flexi rods because, baby, it's a win-win for me. Like, not using any hot tools on my human hair wig is a bonus because I don't want to keep continuing putting heat to my unit and damaging it when I can really just use the flexi rods. Oh, baby. Oh, look at this. This is so cute.
Talking about working in cubicles. Yeah, them boys had a lot, but I knew the code. A lot of niggas debating my numero. Not the 3, not the 2, I'm the UNO. Yeah. Numero UNO. Me and Drizzy, this shit like the Super Bowl.
So I'm using a little edge control on the top of the hair if I had any flyaway hair, because I truly didn't, but I would do that if I did. This is so beautiful. Like, the unit, I'm pretty sure you can use a synthetic unit as well, but you know, I wanted to use my human hair for this flexi rod video, and baby, I'm glad I did because this is beautiful. So everything that I used in this video will be linked in the description box below. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another video, and if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll check y'all in another video. I don't even know what I just said. Another video. Bye.